So today I got this Mueller, sort of excited actually. This Mueller multi-purchase ultra stick hand blender. So this thing had a pile of reviews, and I almost want to say it was like super sale on Amazon for like 35 bucks, something like that. So I wanted to give it a try so we could maybe make blending potatoes a little more fluffy. So let's see what's in this box here. My wand. Ooh, look at all this cool stuff I could. Oh, that's exciting. Ooh, this thing will chop some stuff up. Don't watch your hands, kids. It'll chop you up. This is what's in the box here. Like again, like piles of reviews. I'll have the link on there. But so, yeah, the Mueller multi-purpose ultra hand blender, and this was on sale, so that's why I wanted to go with it. I've been looking at these for a while and stuff, and we got it. So it's a 500 watt, and yeah. This is what you get in the package here. Get it cleaned up because, like I said, I think we're having meatloaf tonight, possibly, depending on how the boss's day goes with work. This is what she looks like. Ooh, that's good. Plastic in there. We'll see how it stands up to the test of time. Got your dial right here. Doesn't really oh, there's a little thing. Okay, it's weaker, more power, I would think. Turbo mode. Ooh, I like turbo mode. I wish I had a turbo bike again. That'll get it done. Power, looks like I push it. I don't know. So yeah. So we'll see you back at it when we give this bad boy a whirl today and something to eat. I'll open one of these up and put it down there, see how it goes there. Whew. Jeez. So it looks, you know, again, my only thing right here is that I see, okay, what's this? Push end of the front into the opening until it locks into position. So it's like a little, you know, detent and it goes right. So the only thing I see that over time is that it's plastic, so if you don't have it right, or you know, stuff can wear out. I'm using this for like potatoes. I'm not even gonna really grind up ice. We just use the Ninja for like ice when we make smoothies. So awesome, guys. See you at it, and I'll stitch this together. Thanks, bye. So it's a twisty. Here's the main attachment. Again, I think the weakest link is that. So it just goes boop. Now we're ready for action. And I'm gonna try today without what I
you plug in over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot we got a really nice setup. Who built this house? Watch out, Scarface, before I chop your nose. Oops, sorry, babe. Alright, let's see. So you got a turbo mode and a regular mode. Variable speed. No. Whoa! Did I get the floor? No, I thought I got the floor.
Probably.
Normally, I just wanted to try it straight up because I think I would do with the grinder first, just to break them up. But I wanted to see. This is my first time. I know stuff I've seen is where they do like ice, and this has got to be easier than ice. But it's definitely pureeing our potatoes. There won't be no lumps. Wash your hands and face, Ange.
Yellow.
Oh. That's cool. I don't want to hold it constant, so I'm just. So yeah, so my advice would be that I'll break it up and I'll whip this bad boy out. That's the reason I bought it. But look at that.
Oh, it's turning like mush.
It's
fluffy.
They're always good.
Yeah, like there's always lumps. Look at that. It's like fluffy. The dog's nose should get ground off to a pulp. So where am I at? Let's turn it up. But I could do French toast with this bad boy. Look at that. That's freaking sick. It's like fluffy marshmallows all popping out. So, yeah. It's like dough.
That's so.
So,
Looks like dough.
it does look like Mom's beating us some bread. See how light and fluffy they are tonight. I think that's better than when I lumped it. So we'll see you in a minute, guys. Thanks for watching. Well, they taste the same, but the texture is totally different than the way we normally. I liked them. The kids did not like it. It looks like dough. It totally looks like dough. So yeah, it's like dough.
What you did to them?
I pureed them.
Overbeat them.
Yeah, I overbeat them, so it became pretty doughy. So if you like big old rib stucking potatoes, that blender is probably good for you. I liked them. I'd eat them, but the kids, it's just that it's like some people don't like shrimp because of the texture. The texture of these potatoes now, that thing got pureed too much. So it did what it's supposed to do, and it blasted through them because I've seen people make like smoothies and ice with it. So it definitely did it. But that's my synopsis. I'll get back at chopping some things later. Thanks for watching.